Welcome to the Ritz Carlton, Grand Cayman Island. This is an oceanfront room. We are on the 8th floor here, so we'll give you a look and see what it's like. Let's see if anyone's home. Oh, wow, such hospitable welcome. All right, as you can see, there is a foyer here with a fridge. And as one of the things, and probably the light makes it a little bit harder to see, as you can see, it's open and airy, nice high ceilings, all of the amenities, the sheets and the bedding, beautiful, a nice lounge area. One of these couches actually does fold out to be an additional twin bed, so that's always a nice way to enjoy and celebrate. As you can see here, some really lovely welcome gifts for the family. This is not our first time here, and really great people. Again here, a great couch area and a lounge area here if you want to have a snack or some coffee. One of the things that I really like in these rooms is, in fact, they have a beautiful coffee station here, which we'll just show you. You have Nespresso, bottles of water, and the honor bar, or, probably, I'm guessing if you scan the prices, it might be a little bit of a dishonor bar, but it is a nice convenience to have. Again there, I believe there are some other things here available for your convenience, as well as a fully stocked minibar. And then finally, of course, some more waters and capsules for your Nespresso and so forth. So again, really a comfortable way to arrive. Really everything you might need or want is there. And of course, there are other places on the property. Nice modern HVAC. But let's get to what's really exciting about this room, if you were to ask me, which is this view. This is, again, as I mentioned, the oceanfront category. Let's take a look and see what's outside. So this is the main oceanside resort pool. There is another side ocean pool on the resort. There is another one over on the resort tower that is also beautiful and fun. And this pool, actually, if I recall, there's a nice deep area over on the left side here, a little bit more shallow and waiting over here. The St. Albans restaurant is great for a quick bite. And of course, we're on 7 Mile Beach. And so there's plenty to do, great service and chairs and a lot of things that people really enjoy. I have to say, the Cayman Islands' reputation for beautiful beaches is well-founded. Beautiful sand, great people, great food, and really, you can get it if you get a chair or a cabana out there. You could really spend the day in and just enjoy a beautiful, beautiful day. Now, we'll just show downstairs, right 8 floors beneath us, there is a steakhouse, and I believe a spa is over here, and of course there's plenty of other sort of interesting things. And this, just to give you a perspective again, it's not loud, there are plenty of people out, but it's actually just a nice relaxing vibe. And again, there you can see one of your main paths out to the beach there. And here at the Ritz Carlton Grand Cayman, they even do have a beach sidewalk, which is, that's pretty nice. That's pretty cool, I have to admit. What else can I say? There are a few cabanas available by the pool. You generally need to reserve those in advance, but in my experience, even on a busy holiday weekend, very accessible, very attainable. And there's plenty of water activities you could do too on the beach. They have a few of the platforms, which you can see some families playing out on a few of those. I believe you can also rent some boats. There's a different lane over to the north there. But again, everything is roped off, and the beach is very safe, very comfortable, great for families, great for everybody. I mean, anyone who doesn't like that beach, I'd be surprised. So here, we'll come back in the room. We'll show you a few more features. And in fact, our bags are arriving, so we'll just
Would you like the beef
We'll just
Wonderful, thank you.
sorry. So, in the bathroom, we have here a full bath, shower, as well as full amenities, and again, very comfortable. So I think this is a place you would enjoy, and smash the like button if you have comments or questions, and thanks for watching.